What is up, YouTube? The reason I'm wearing this shirt today, just don't even. It's been so long I've been waiting for this. It's just been, let's just get straight to it. Let's open this bad boy. I got it finally today. It took about 3 months, but more on that later. So, I mean, I have to be like a cool YouTuber, so I got a knife so I can open these packages, because if I don't have a knife, I'm not cool enough. So, let's open this up. Oh yeah, I did this so nobody sees my address because I'm super secret undercover agent. Let's go ahead and open this. This box is from B&H. And ta-da! Alright, bubble wrap. Okay, good. Bubble wrap. What is this? Chipotle? Huh? Hold on. What? Let me read this real quick. Sorry, Roman. We are out of stock and the R5 is back ordered. We decided to ship you a box with Chipotle. Thank you, Canon team. Enjoy. Huh? Let's see. That is the weirdest unboxing experience ever. Oh, they got it. I'm sold. They gave me guac. That's all I need. As long as I get my avocado, I'm happy. Not sponsored. But man, this is good. Run box? Oh, run box again. That is the box. Okay. Maybe there's more food in here. I don't know. Oh man, maybe I should go eat first. Okay, just before I open it, I waited for this package for 3 months. I ordered it from Canon. I know. I talk too much. I'll finish my story when I open. But this is my first impressions. Just wanted to tell you guys, I ordered it from Canon, had to cancel it because I was out of the country, and they could not change the address on the order, so nobody here could take it, and it would just go back. Oh my, what? And I had to order from B&H, and they took forever too. So Canon actually was about to ship the package to me, but 4,000 what? Ugh. Man, YouTube gotta pay me more. By the way, this box was all banged up. See that? I had to order on August 10th, and October 23rd, they shipped overnight. But listen, they shipped overnight, but it came on October 26th. So they shipped it on Friday, FedEx. Overnight shipping, and somehow it came on Monday, but whatever. Here's what you get in the box. Image.canon, so I guess you get their subscription service. There it is for the online server storage type of thing. Here's the warranty card. This book is like encyclopedia of all the Canon cameras in the world. I'm not sure if I'm gonna read it. There's this thick cable. I might use it once or twice. Standard charger. I think it's a bit thicker than usual chargers we got used to. A battery, same size but better. It's plastic. I can't wait by the time these camera companies start shipping their cameras in like an iPhone type of box. Smaller and everything looking nice and pretty, but instead we get this plastic. Here's the strap, which I will never use. Anybody want it? It's for sale. And there it is. It's like opening the iPhone, taking off the film. Oh man, I don't believe I have this here. I don't. I already got an adapter, I got a card reader, and I got a card. By the way, the true cost of this camera is not $4,000. $4,000 is the camera. Then you have to get a card, which was like $350 because only with these cards, the write-in speeds are good enough for 4K, 120, or 8K, which I'm probably never gonna use. And then you have to get a card reader, which is on average $70 to $100 for the card reader. Here's the camera. It's a little bit beefier than the R. What is that? I hope it's IBIS, because that's how IBIS usually sounds like in the lenses, but that's weird. I think it's an IBIS. I'm gonna show you guys the size difference between the R. It is just a bit beefier, so you can tell the R is on the left, the R5 is on the right. It's just much thicker. Same in here. Bigger card slots because there are two of them. The screen is higher, so it's bigger. Everywhere it's beefier. From the front, it's about the same. It's just on top here it's beefier, like I said. Wow. Then this side we got all the cables, so now it's a little bit nicer. I've seen people saying some good things about this. The mic is now on top, so it's not gonna be in front of the screen, so you'll connect the mic here, and where it was before here, right in front. Here's the plug for the flash, for the headphones, for HDMI, which is super tiny right now, very tiny, and for USB. That's about it there. Here is the screen. Oh wow, that's interesting. So the flip out screen is bigger in size, but it's taken less real estate on the actual flip out thingy, if you see what I mean. You see how on the R, the plastic around it is less frame, but here is like more frame but less screen. But the actual screen, I think it's about the same size. Alright, let's see if the battery is good. And what's the percentage here on the battery if it does turn on. So here it is. Let's turn this bad boy on. Boom. It's dead. It is dead. Alright, so we got a battery. Plug it in. Turn it on. It is on and good to go. It does pick up right away. We don't hear any more shaking. It's because the IBIS is working. As soon as you turn it off, you can hear it shaking. That is my first impressions. I'm pretty psyched and excited about this camera. Here's the SD card slots and this beefy card that goes here with high speeds. I love this joystick. I love this here. It's way better than the other touchpad. I never understood the Type Edge. Don't really like it. I'm super excited about this controls. I am super excited to shoot on this. Finally, make videos, test it out. It just feels good. Guys, if you have any questions about this camera, leave the comment below. I will be happy to make a video on any topic about this. As far as one suggestion how to buy this camera, if you do buy it from Canon, they're gonna charge you tax. They charged me about $200 or $300 in taxes when I pre-ordered on Canon.com, and then when I canceled it and I bought it from B&H, or if you buy it from Amazon, you don't get charged tax. So you can use my links in the description to get yours without paying any extra tax. So it will be $38.99 exactly. So you're not overpaying anything extra. I'm not sure how come it works like that, but it is what it is. It just saves you a couple of $100 actually. So you're welcome. Well, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was just quick impressions of Canon EOS R5 and unboxing. There you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below. I think it's time to go. Peace.